Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the clip for focus issues. Check edges, peaking, and motion blur. Open the color page now and load the clip into the timeline. This gives access to sharpening and blur tools. Once done, switch on focus peaking or use the highlight mode to see soft areas because seeing the problem helps you fix it precisely. Make sure your playback is real-time with proxies if needed, otherwise false softness from dropped frames can mislead you. You will now apply targeted corrections. Add a sharpen node and reduce radius while increasing amount conservatively because too much creates halos. Once added, use a power window to isolate the subject, then track, so sharpening follows motion. If softness is from lens aberration, add a lens blur reduction and boost midtone detail for perceived clarity. Adjust contrast subtly to enhance edges. Make sure to toggle before /after. To finish, render short test clips at full resolution and view on the target display. This confirms whether sharpening holds up outside the viewer. You should also apply temporal or spatial noise reduction prior to sharpening when grain is present, because sharpening amplifies noise. If things go wrong, edges halo, jitter, or banding, remove the sharpen node, lower strength, or blur the mask edge and retrack. You can always stack subtle passes rather than one heavy fix to keep results natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.